Okay, I said I would get a closer look at, we decided to change the name Fluffy to Stormy because that was my brother's idea of the name. But then we switched kittens, but I still love them both. And then here's Stormy being fussy. Here's little Stormy being fussy. But he is really sweet sometimes. He's just really sleepy. He sleeps on me all day, every day. And now he just gives me the pouty face and runs off. Yeah, what you doing? What you doing, Stormy? What you doing? Are you eyeballing them or something? What you doing, little kitty? And then I will be back with Shadow because he follows Mom. Come on, go back to bed. No. And my cat sleeps in the car seat, which is pretty weird. And then I got a squishy yesterday, and so here's my squishy. It's kind of fast and kind of slow. I got this yesterday. It was $4 at Ollie's. And then I got this, which is a My Mini Mix-A-Q's. And then I got two others. This one, and then this one. And then these ones came with the puppy. And then I got this little puppy that came with it. Then here's the one I got in the mystery. And then it came with some little accessories for the puppy. A little teeny tiny bone. And then a little water bowl. And then right now I'm gonna go grab the other kitten. And you stay low, Stormy. I know how you try to run off. Definitely. Now I am gonna go get the other kitten. Filming a video.